Are you in that ugly stage and you need to do something with your locks? Baby, get you some headbands. Hey y'all, so I want to talk about these lovely headbands that I purchased. I purchased mine from Amazon. I believe I paid, I think, about $8.99. Don't quote me on that. I'll make sure I'll link that information down in the description box below if you're interested in purchasing your very own. I purchased this from a brand, I think the brand is referred to as URIEO, but again, don't quote me. I'll have the information down in the description box below. The color choices that I decided to go with was Black Flower. Now, I don't know how they came up with Black Flower, but they came up with Black Flower. The colors in my pack consisted of this beautiful, bright, multicolored headband. It also consisted of a beautiful blue and a beautiful brown. My blue one is currently in the wash that you guys hear now. And then here's the cute brown. I haven't had a chance to wear the brown one yet because I've just been wearing that blue one with just about everything. Y'all, let me tell you, these bands are extremely comfortable. They're actually yoga headbands, but I don't even care. I still wear them because I am in that awkward stage and I don't have a whole lot of length to my locks at this point. Okay, they are very comfortable. They are very stretchy, so if you feel you have a big head, look, your head can fit in it. Has a lot of elasticity to it, but there's no rubber in it. I love that it has this cute little knot, and all of them have them. It really just brings a little oomph to the headband itself, just a little something, just a little added cuteness, which I really like. Also, you guys, as you can see how they're kind of tied and twisted to create the knot, which is all good, no complaints. Okay, but they're very comfortable, so even if you have long locks, you too can still get away with wearing these cute headbands as well. Okay, easy to clean. You can just throw it in a wash, or you can hand wash it, whatever works for you. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to keep these things to keep them clean. You can wear them for whatever purpose. You can wear them leisurely, like I'm doing. You can wear them to the gym or whatever. You can wear them for whatever you want to wear them for. I know a lot of people really don't say headbands on baby locks, but y'all, we got to do something when we're in that weird, awkward, ugly stage, whatever you want to call it, and it's just hard for us, especially if you have shorter hair like me at this stage. They do offer returns and exchanges if you're not pleased with the color selection that you chose, or if you just don't like the headbands for any reason. Okay, but there's a certain time frame that you have to return or exchange it if you don't like the selection you chose, y'all. Anyway, that is it. That is all that I have. I just wanted to share these cute headbands for you. I just wanted to share these cute headbands if you are in the ugly stage of your locks. FYI, if by chance you're looking for that perfect holiday gift for that perfect someone who has locks, y'all, consider these bands. Again, they are extremely affordable and they have a lot of color selection for you to choose from per pack, so keep that in mind. Anyway, that concludes today's video. I'll see you tulips in the next one. Smooches.